Okay, so we are going to learn how to take our e-newsletter and put it into a Boomtown template for each agent. You can see here it's Rudy's newsletter Q1, Q2. So what we need to do is we need to go into our newsletters and log in. We are going to email newsletters and get to the editor page. Campaigns. And this quarter's newsletter is September newsletter. So we'll click on that. We want to go to the design. And you'll remember we had the team photo here. So what we need to do in editor is go into the editor view and switch out each individual agent's photo. So in their email out to their sphere, it's coming from them. So I'll right click, insert edit image. You probably kind of remember the problem with this is when we uploaded our images into the image manager in Ready to Go newsletters, we did not label our agents' photos. So that could be a task that we go back in. This one I believe is Melissa's because that's what I grabbed. So anything that looks kind of like this is basically that brick background. So I'm going to choose this one, 9919. 9919, and we will find out who it is in a minute. So we're going to click update. As you can see, the image is so large, so we have to sit here and take a minute and shrink it up, unfortunately. So bear with me, this is one of the tedious parts of this process. I think if we, through this newsletter, if we take the time to go back into that image where we uploaded all these images and rename them, it could save us some time. Okay, this looks like it is Carrie. All right, so I'm gonna kind of size her photo up here. It's probably good. I'm going to change it to Carrie Acosta. I'm going to change her email to Carrie Robinise Network Properties. You could probably keep the office number, and I don't know whose license number this is. I'll change it to mine. 01810074. That's just mine. We'll just keep it standard. That's less changes. So I think that will do. And then I'm going to save and exit. And it comes, we need to go back and grab back to design. We're going to grab all the coding over here. We're not going to edit it, so it looks good, assuming it looks good to you. I'm going to come over and probably need to link that. What is it doing? This is just the home page. So that reminds me, we'll go back into editor. And since we made that adjustment, we need to relink it. So we will go link. We want it to go there, probably open in a new window. Title, Carrie's website. Insert. And we don't like blue. Can we change it to black? Where's my font color? Hello, hello. Do I really not have font color? Here we go. Black. Perfect. Now we're going to save. And we are then going to go back to the newsletter and grab all that code. So back to design. And then we're just going to come over here and right click, copy. Then you're going to go to Boomtown, so have that up. Email templates, which I'm already here. And then we are going to create a new template. I'm going to name this one Q3 Newsletter Carrie. The subject, I think we had October. Yeah, we can think of a new subject line, or the agents can change it if they want. This is what it'll say when it gets sent out to the clients. Then you're coming down here to the body and you're going to click the HTML button, and then you're going to first input the code, and I got this from Boomtown, so I didn't know this. The less than sign, I believe that is, less than IMG SRC equals quotations, and then I'm going to paste that code that I copied, that URL. So I'm going to say paste. It's big old long code. You scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you have to close the code with parentheses and a greater than sign. So you can see those two you have to add. Then you click update, and bam, it's put in there. You have to just make sure there isn't any text like that at the top or the bottom. See how it has that? And then it's in there as their e-newsletter. So I come back up. I think I forgot a step. My apologies. We actually want to make this a company template. Right now it was on mine, so only Robin can see it. Company can see it this way, and then we labeled it Carrie's. So that should work. We'll create template, and ta-da! If you go find Q3, Melissa and Carrie is created. So we will do that for each agent. I noticed I had one for Adriana in here, and we might want to create one for you if you have Raquel, if we have your SOI uploaded into Boomtown, we can start dripping on them as well. After that, I usually send out an email with a video showing the agents how to send it to their SOI. So I will email that to you. And once you do this, you can send them an email with that video kind of reminding them how to send it to their SOI. Okay, I hope that helps.